Beauty advice for remove face hair. Eco-friendly gram flour and rose water. Add 1 1/2 tablespoon of rose water to 2 tablespoons eco-friendly gram flour and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice too. Spread the paste in your face and then leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes before scrubbing. Do this 3 to 4 times per week. Spearmint tea. Boil a glass of water. Add 1 teaspoon of dried spearmint into it. For those who have spearmint leaves, use 4 or 5 of these. Cover the container and allow it to steep for around 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink the tea. Get it 2 times daily. Fresh lemon juice and honey. Mix 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 4 tablespoons honey. Put it on in your face and then leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Lightly take away the mask having a clean cloth drenched in warm water. Do this a minimum of 2 times per week for couple of months. Egg, sugar, and corn flour. Whisk 1 egg white and add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/2 tablespoon of corn flour into it. Use the mixture for your face, allow it to dry for 15 to 20 minutes after peel. Do this again 3 or 4 times per week. Lentil Face Pack. Grind and sieve 1/2 cup of red lentils a couple of times to get a fine powder. Mix 2 tablespoons the powder with plenty of milk or honey to make a paste. Allow it to be assemble of 15 minutes. Store all of those other powder within an airtight container. Use the mixture for your face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes after scrub. Use it 2 or 3 times per week. For those who have dry skin, use it once per week.